Hey there, welcome back to the IDAutomation channel. Today, we'll be creating dynamic QR codes by encoding multiple data fields within the ever-popular crystal reports, and we'll also show you how to separate that data. Streamlining your barcode workflow is our goal. So, without further ado, let's generate some QR codes. We'll need to extract the files we downloaded from IDAutomation. Once extracted, we can navigate to the report. Find the IDAutomation native QR code and open the report. With the report open, let's click Print Preview to take a closer look at our QR code courtesy of IDAutomation. This barcode is both versatile and can seamlessly integrate into your custom reports. First, we'll create a new standard report, although it's optional since you can also incorporate the QR code into existing reports. Before we proceed, let's establish a connection to our database. I'll be using Microsoft Access. Its user-friendly and straightforward setup make it an ideal choice for our purposes. It's worth noting that database connections can be complex, and we'll only be scratching the surface here. For deeper insights, consult your database administrator. But don't worry, we'll still extract some real-world data from the employees table I've set up. Once we're in the standard report, let's navigate to the design page. Here, we'll enlarge the detail section to accommodate our QR code placement. Now, switch back to the IDAutomation report we initially opened. Copy the entire QR code object. Return to our new report and paste the object into the details section. What's great is to generate multiple barcodes dynamically, we actually only need one object. Right-click the object and select Edit Formula. This formula generates the QR code. Let's expand it for better readability. Now, let's scroll to where the data is being set for the encoding process. Let's bid farewell to the string of data here. Adios! Our database comprises a table with 4 distinct fields: a primary ID key, a first name, a last name, and an employee number. With 3 entries in our database, we'll generate 3 QR codes to encapsulate this data. Just drag the desired field into the Data to Encode section. Time to add parentheses around each field. Then, we'll incorporate a carriage return function. Encoding a return or carriage return function into the barcode involves using ASCII functions. Type the ~D013 inside a couple of quotation marks, surrounded by a couple ampersand symbols. This symbol helps concatenate our string. Let's now encode a tab function between the employee first and last name. Couple ampersands and quotation marks, where inside will be the ~D009, which represents the tab function in the ASCII chart. For a touch of fun, let's incorporate some static data. Place employee name before the name fields, ensuring to include the linking ampersand. After the carriage return, let's add employee number, which will appear on the second line when scanned. Once you've crafted your data string, simply save and close the formula. On the design side, you'll notice our single QR code object. However, the real magic unfolds when we click Preview. Before our eyes, 3 QR codes materialize. When scanned with IDAutomation's Decoder app, each QR code displays the employee's first name and last name separated by a tab, followed by a carriage return and the employee number appearing on the second line. Imagine the possibilities with 100 or more entries in our database. Integrate IDAutomation's QR code into your workflow today for seamless data management. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. And as always, we are your source for quality symbology.